Hi, my name is Lisa, a movie and TV shows lover too. If you often watch movies and episodes on Disney+, do you want to download videos to watching offline? Today I teach you how to use iMoiveTool to download Disney+ videos to MP4 or MKV on computer. iMoviTool, Disney+ video downloader, can help you download movies, TV shows, originals, documentaries from Disney+ at ease. Let's show you how to use iMoviTool to download Disney+ on computer. Run iMoviTool video downloader on your computer and wait for it to load into the main interface. The software can download videos from Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney+, HBO Max, Hulu, Apple TV+, Paramount+, YouTube, and other social media sites. Select Disney+ download feature and log in your Disney+ account. I have logged in my account, so I skip this step. On the built-in Disney+ web browser, you can view all movies, series, and originals contents before downloading. In this video tutorial, I will show you use searching mode to find videos to download. Please clicking the top search menu. Then enter the video title or keyword to search video that you need to download. In the searching result, you can view all movies and episode before downloading. Clicking preference option, you can select the MP4 or MKV as output format. Set the output video quality, video codec, audio language, subtitle language, subtitles option, download speed, the output folder, and other setting option. Then please close the setting windows and go back to the searching result. Find a video that you need to download and clicking download button. For downloading episodes, you need to select the episode you want to download and then click download button to add them into the downloading list. iMoiveTool supports batch download videos from Disney+. You can search and add more videos to the downloading list during downloading process. Please wait patiently until the entire download process is completed. After downloading finished, please open the output folder. You can get the MP4 video files. Now you can play this downloaded videos offline. That's all. I hope this video guide can help you.